Namaste Jajalapa. The voice you are listening right now is the presentation of Anak Media for Nepal Bhasha Academy, Newa FM 106.6 MHz radio. I am Khemnath Sitaula, English teacher of Adinath Secondary School, Chobar, Ward number 6, Kirtipur Municipality. Today I am speaking on this radio education program conducted by Kirtipur Municipality. I am here to facilitate the teaching and learning of Grade 10 English. This program is broadcast every Monday at 11 am. I will be together with you for another 30 minutes. Dear students, last Monday we entered into Unit 2. And the first reading text of Unit 2 was a debate program, and Karma and Kavita were the two speakers in the debate. Karma was speaking for the motion and Kavita was speaking against the motion. So we finished the reading section last Monday, and today I will help you, I will support you in the exercise given below the reading text. So dear students, so be ready with pen and paper. Open your book on page 16. On page 16, there you can find exercise 2 number 1. Exercise 2 number 1. This is reading comprehension, and here are some questions related to the given text. You have to answer. So I will help you. Let me read the question and the suggested answer. Okay. So page 16, once again, page 16, now exercise 2 number 1. And first question, number A is, who are the two speakers in the debate? Who are the two speakers in the debate? You can see the same question in your book, and the answer is, the two speakers in the debate are Karma and Kavita. The two speakers in the debate are Karma and Kavita. Have you written the answer? Karma and Kavita are the two speakers in the debate program. Let's go to question number B. B is, who is the supporter of fewer languages? And here fewer languages, according to the text, only one language or single language. Who is the supporter of fewer languages or single language or one language? And answer is, Karma is the supporter of fewer languages, because Karma is speaking for the motion. Karma is the supporter of single language, fewer languages. See question number 3 or C. What do Karma and Kavita claim? What do Karma and Kavita claim? The suggested answer is, Karma claims that using a single language is better for making our life easier, and Kavita claims that using many languages or multiple languages is better to make life easier and comfortable. Did you get my point? Karma claims that using a single language is better for easier life, and Kavita claims that using multiple languages is better to make our life easier and comfortable. Question number D. Which language is supposed to have musical quality? Which language is supposed to have musical quality? And the easy answer, the Sanskrit language is supposed to have musical quality. Sanskrit language is supposed to have musical quality. Question number E. What brings variety in literature? What brings variety in literature? Answer, linguistic and cultural differences bring variety in literature. Linguistic difference and cultural difference bring variety in literature. 2 points are there. Linguistic difference and cultural difference, they bring variety in literature. Now question number F. What can minimize communication barrier? What can minimize communication barrier? Answer, using single language can minimize communication barrier. And already in the reading text, Karma was speaking for the motion, and he was saying using single language, only one language, can minimize communication barrier or communication obstacles. Okay. Number G. Write down any 3 benefits of having fewer languages. Write down any 3 benefits of having fewer languages. And the supporter of having fewer languages is Karma, and he has mentioned a lot of benefits, almost a dozen of benefits in the reading text, and you can choose only 3 from them and mention any 3 benefits or 3 advantages of having fewer languages or single languages. Now I will give you 3 clues. As Karma mentioned, 3 benefits of having fewer languages are: first, it strengthens our fraternity. It strengthens means makes strong our fraternity, brotherhood or social relationship. The first point, the first benefit, it strengthens our fraternity. Second one, it helps in international business and economy. It helps in international business and economy. Third one, the third advantage I have noted down is it promotes. It promotes means having a single language or fewer languages promotes integrity and global understanding. Promotes integrity and global understanding. Now we have only one question left. Last question, number H. You see, mention any 3 benefits of having many languages or multiple languages in the world. And Kavita, the speaker Kavita, is the supporter of this view, and the 3 benefits he has also mentioned more than 15 benefits of having many languages in the world. Here you have to express just 3 points, and I suggest you to write the 3 benefits of having many languages in the world are: 1. It preserves our identity. I will repeat again. It preserves or conserves our identity. Second one, it boosts tourism. Boosts or promotes tourism. And third one, it promotes our culture. So this means for the promotion and boost up our culture, our tourism and our identity, multiple languages are needed or necessary for us. Dear students, we have just finished one exercise 2-1 question answer reading comprehension from A to H. This is commercial break.
Newa FM Sacho Kufutiku Nena Disa Nenga Disa Chi Newa Zuyagu Garbayan Disa.
Welcome back again after a short commercial break. Dear students, we are on the same page of the book, page number 16, and we have just finished the first exercise number 2-1. Now I will move to exercise 2-3, and exercise 2-2 I will come back later on after finishing exercise 3. Okay, so exercise 2-3 is very easy exercise. Decide whether the statements are true or false. Just you have to decide whether the given statements are true or false. And as you already know, Kavita and Karma are the two speakers. Karma is speaking for the motion and Kavita is speaking against the motion. They have mentioned a lot of advantages of having a single language and multiple languages. First, number A says Karma supports that the fewer the languages are, the easier the life will be. Let me repeat again. Karma supports that the fewer the languages are, the easier the life will be. And the answer is true. T. Number B, he claims that, he means Karma again, not Kavita. He claims that a global village is possible through the development of technology. He claims that a global village is possible through the development of technology. And this is also true. Number C, the Nepali language is said to have musical quality. The Nepali language is said to have musical quality. And this is wrong answer. This is false. As we have already mentioned in question answer section, Sanskrit language is said to have musical quality, not the Nepali language. Question number D, Kavita questions the practicability and possibility of using a single language across the globe. Once again, Kavita questions the practicability and possibility of using a single language across the globe. And again, she questions real. So this is true answer, right answer. And last one, number E, she argues that, and this pronoun she means Kavita here. She argues that, or Kavita argues that if we use fewer languages, it may create identity problem. It may create identity problem. And again, this is the true answer. So, dear students, out of the 5 statements A, B, C, D, E, only number C, third question, is the false statement, and A, B and D, E, 4 answers are true answers based on the reading text. Now I will move to exercise, same page, page number 16, exercise 2.2. We have finished 2.1 question answer and just finished 2.3 true and false items, and let's see question number 2.2. And what is this? Question number 2.2 is, now the question is, what are the major points or main points Karma and Kavita made while they delivered their speech on this debate program? First I will tell you the major points expressed by, given by, made by Karma, who was the speaker for the motion, and the major points made by Karma. So the title is, using a single language is better than multiple languages, major points. And they are many and it is a bit difficult to pick up all. Listen carefully and find them in your text while you go on reading. The major points made by Karma are, number 1, every year several languages die out, vanish, disappear. Number 2, the world has become a global village due to the development in science and technology. Number 3, people prefer learning the language that helps them to communicate in the global village. Number 4, using the same language would certainly aid understanding and global community. Number 5, people can communicate with one another without any problem if there is a single language. Single language all over the world. If there is only one language all over the world, people can communicate very easily without any problem. Number 6, a single language can unite all the people as global citizen of the same village, the whole people of the world. Number 7, a single language would promote learning and the flow of information and ideas. Number 8, economic growth is also possible by using single language. It emphasizes on economic growth. Single language helps. 9, interpreters will not be needed in international conferences, seminars and workshops. No need of interpreters. No need of interpreter means they do not have to translate one language into another language while having conference, seminars and workshops, because there is a single language and every person easily understands the language. Number 10, single language minimizes the communication barriers and helps international business and also makes the world's economy healthier. World's economy healthier. Number 11, use of a single language may help in solving international and intercultural security problems. Number 12, this is the last point. So I have mentioned you 12 major points said by Karma. Single language is better than multiple languages for the motion. A single language strengthens our fraternity, integrity, security, and global understanding. So, in addition to helping international business and economy, dear students, I have mentioned 12 points made by Karma, major points, and now I will tell you 11 other major points from the side of against the motion, where Kavita was the speaker. The major points made by her are: using multiple languages is better than a single language. Point 1. Every year several languages die out. With them, the knowledge inherent there dies too. Dying the language means the knowledge inside the language also dies. Number 2, language influences our thoughts, which then influences reality of the world around us. Number 3, language carries culture. Language is never alone. Language is with the culture. So language carries people's culture. Number 4, culture and linguistic diversity or difference have a reciprocal relationship. Number 5, having only one global language is not good. Number 6, each culture is unique. Each culture is unique. 7, if a language disappears, vanishes, dies out, along the culture also dies. The culture also vanishes or disappears. So we need to save the language, preserve the language, because with the language, the culture also dies. Cultural diversity boosts tourism. Number 9, the loss of cultures leads to the collapse of the tourism industry. Number 10, using fewer languages also creates identity problems. Number 11, the ethnic groups without their own language and culture lose their linguistic and cultural identity. So the major points asked in question number 2 are from the side of Karma 12 points, and from the side of Kavita there are 11 points, and it is very difficult to copy all these long sentences, but just you need to be careful, go on reading, underline the main sentences spoken by them, and one by one make notes or write at least 10 major points spoken by Karma and Kavita. Thank you very much. Now the assigned time is over, and I would like to express my sincere thanks and gratitude to my technician friend Mr. Unique Sakya for his full support, full help, and have a good day. Stay safe. Thank you very much.